How to find your EPIC number on your voter ID card. Hey everyone! In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your EPIC number on your voter ID card. So if you're trying to check your name on the voter list or fill out a government form but can't figure out where the EPIC number is, don't worry, just follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, grab your voter ID card. Your EPIC number is always printed right on it, but the spot where it's located can vary, depending on whether you have the new voter ID card or an older version. If you have the new voter ID card, look just above your photograph on the left-hand side. You'll see a combination of capital letters and numbers. That's your EPIC number. This is the number you'll need to enter whenever a form or website asks for it. Now, if you're using an older voter ID card, the EPIC number might appear in a few different spots. Sometimes, it's above the photo on the right, and in some cases, it's right next to your picture. Again, look for that same pattern, a mix of capital letters and digits, and that's your EPIC number. Once you've found it, you're all set. You can now easily use it to check your voter details, update your information, or fill out any official form that requires it. And that's it. Simple, right? Now you know exactly where to find your EPIC number on any type of voter ID card. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more short and useful tutorials just like this one.